Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with some happy mail. And this is from Miss Margaret L. I already kind of cut this here, but I haven't peeked yet. So let's pull this out and see what it is. First, we're going to do this. Pull this part out and put that aside, and let's see what's this. Ooh, looks like some digits here. And I have a project for this coming up. I'm thinking as I go. Okay. Ooh, here's some Alice. Ooh. This is pretty. This is so pretty. Let's see. And there's plenty of each one. Ooh. We have Country Life. This is pretty for something. Let me see. My camera seems to be upside down. There we go. Well, now it's reading backwards. Okay, there we go. Now, I have to make it center. Well, wrong way there. There we go. And do that. And that. Okay, we got this one. And I see some more Alice. Oh dear. I'm going to have me some phone. I don't know what these are, but they're fairies. These are cute. Those. We have this one. This looks like some paper or digis that she has. And she decided to share them with me. This one, which is upside down. Oh, lavender. This is Stamperia paper. Ooh. I'm going to make me some journals or albums with this. Thank you so much, Miss Margaret. Ooh, corsets. Let me turn this around. I seem to have the paper upside down. Let me move this over. Look how pretty. There we go. A little more light. I'm trying to get to the end of it. Then we have this gorgeous one. Oh, this one is gorgeous. I love the flowers, the music paper. There's plenty of this one also. Let me see if I can get to the end of it. Oh, and she gave it to me in a small size, smaller size also. Cool beans. And this one seems to have a lot, so let's try to get to the end. And we have, ooh, some bookmarks. Well, we've seen this one already. So, we're going to see what else is in the envelope. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got some smaller paper pages. Look at that, how pretty. Postcard. There's a few of those. Then we have this one. There's a few of those. Let me see the last one. And it feels like it's printed on like almost like a gloss paper. That's at least 120 pounds. I'm not sure. Oh, check out the Santa one. And it's come like this, and a darker and a lighter. I like that. Let's see what else. And I thought I saw, yes I did, one in black and white. Oh y'all. Let's see what else is in here. And we have a piece of fabric with butterflies on it and no, it's all, well, let's see. It's all dragonflies, and that is so pretty. I have an idea for this. And the title of the fabric is Fly by Night by, let me see. There seems to be something missing, maybe? I don't know. I'll find out. So this is the end of that. And I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. And also, leave a comment down below of what you think. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Be safe. Be well. Be kind. And see you all in the next video and on the flipper side. Bye-bye for now.